Welcome to the Oracle Troubleshooting module, focusing on database status failures. Backup failures involving the status of an Oracle database will be reviewed along with common steps on how to resolve these issues. Oracle database states represent differing modes of operation. Here are the main states for an Oracle database that Commvault will report on during any backup operation. Open, signifying the database is ready for use. Started, meaning the database is started but it not yet connected to any active instance. Mount, meaning the database or instance is mounted to the control file, but not ready for user access. Unknown, which is a status that encompasses multiple states where the database is not accessible to Commvault. Most commonly, this means the database has a state of failed, signifying one or more components of the database have failed to operate correctly. Now that the states have been discussed, let's review a common state failure in Command Center. Let's review an example scenario where knowledge of the Oracle database states will come into play. Here, a backup job for an Oracle client has gone pending with the following error. Reviewing the error, the job submitted is confirmed to be a full backup for the designated client. The client has returned a status of mount, however, the job requires the database be in open mode. The mount state confirms that while the database is mounted to an active control file, it is not ready for user access and will need to be confirmed by the database administrator. To confirm the state of an Oracle database using Commvault Command Center, begin in the Service Catalog and select Manage in the Database pane. In the Database Management window, select Databases. In the General tab for the instance, the database status will populate here. The state for this database is returned as open. If the database status cannot be confirmed in Command Center, it can be confirmed on the machine hosting the database. While this command should typically be run by the database administrator, it is provided here for review purposes. Upon logging in, switch to Oracle using the su account name command. Once logged in as the proper user, run the command SQL +/ as sysdba. This command instructs the Oracle utility SQL+ to use the / connect string to connect to the local database using the sysdba privilege, which is a privilege Commvault requires the account to have. Finally, the following SQL command is run to return the database status. This command will query the Oracle database and return the status. Let's review the output. In the returned output, the database shows a mode mounted, but in order to run a full backup, the state of the database will need to be in read, write, or open mode. While the state of the database can be changed, confirm with the database administrator before running any commands. If the state is confirmed to be wrong, it can be changed with the following command while still logged into SQL. The alter database command, as the name implies, will change the database status to the one indicated in the command. Running the previous status command again returns the following. The output signifies that the database is now open. Now that the status on the Oracle side has been confirmed, the job can be resubmitted in the Command Center. Thank you again for your time and attention on this module, and have a wonderful rest of your day.